Line up both lower arms at the back of the tractor. Connect the tractor side ends to the tractor using the pins that came with your tractor. Each has a bolt and a lock washer that secures them so that they don't fall out. Now connect the upper, larger turnbuckles and install their retaining pins and locking/cotter pins so the retaining pins don't vibrate out. This is easier with the second set of hands. Now connect the lower, smaller turnbuckles to the tractor frame with the U-shaped holders, pins, and cotter pins. If you can't make these reach the hole, try pulling outward. If they were on your tractor before, they should fit. If not, you can turn the turnbuckles to shorten or lengthen them as needed. Install the upper turnbuckle with its pin and locking/cotter pin, and you're done.
And I'm sure this is the part where I'm supposed to beg you to like and subscribe and all that, yada yada. Do it if you want, don't if you don't.